Right out of the gate, here's the headline. Fear is gripping the market at 29 out of 100. But the opening bell tells a different story because the S&P 500 is up 7 basis points, the Dow up 31 points, and the Nasdaq basically flat. So we've got conflicting signals already this morning. The Fear and Greed Index sitting in the low 20s tells us investors are cautious. Nobody's rushing to load the boat on this Wednesday. The broad market is treading water in these opening moments. Small caps aren't pulling hard either, with the Russell 2000 up just 6 basis points. This is muted action across the board, folks. Now let's talk about where the real energy is. Semiconductors are leading the charge right out of the gate. AMD is absolutely crushing it, up 2.98%, gaining nearly $15 per share. That's your single biggest mover in the opening 30 minutes. No question. Tesla is right on its heels, up 2.91% with a $10 jump. Both of these names are getting attention this morning, despite the overall tepid sentiment. Energy is also showing some early strength. Chevron is up 1.46%, while XOM is climbing 1.21%. Oil prices must be supporting the complex here, and Disney is popping up 1.45% to start the day. These winning sectors tell us growth and cyclicals are getting bought. But it's not all winners. Salesforce is down 1.83%, which is your worst performer so far. Home Depot is sliding 0.97% lower. PayPal is down 0.81%. So the software and retail names are catching some early selling pressure. That suggests rotation out of some of these mega-cap names. Here's what's fascinating on the analyst side. Microsoft has 64 buy ratings and 0 sell ratings from the street. Amazon's the same story, 70 buys, 0 sells. Nvidia's got 64 buys versus just 1 sell. Google's 62 buys with no sells. The analyst community is overwhelmingly bullish on the Magnificent Seven, even though fear is dominating investor sentiment. That disconnect matters. Watch Microsoft specifically today. Azure just crossed $100 billion in annual revenue with proven AI monetization. That story is still unfolding this morning. If big cap tech can